Hello guys, welcome to my Python tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about clear, index and count method on Python list. Given that you're clear with my previous list functions, we can proceed with clear, index and count. If not so, do revise them. I have provided the link in my description box. Now let's move on to clear function. As the name emphasizes, it clears or removes all the elements from a given list. The syntax of clear is list variable dot clear. It is equivalent to del list variable square bracket is2. For those of you who require more clarity on slicing, I have provided the link in my description box. Now to demonstrate the working of clear, let me create a list variable L and populate it with values. By applying clear on L and by printing it, we observe that we have obtained an empty list here as a result to start afresh. Now let's talk about another cool function in Python, which is the index function. With the index function, you can find the index of a given element in the whole list or within a given range of index values. The syntax of index method is list variable dot index of element comma start comma stop. Now the index function will start searching for the element starting from the start and stops one step before stop. So for instance, if we create a list L and populate it with values as shown, now we say L dot index of 2 comma 2 comma 6, we expect the function to return 6 as 2 is present at index 6, but the function provides an error which says 2 not in the list, which makes the fact evident that the function considers index from start to stop -1, and the index returned is 6, which is the index of 2 in the full sequence of L and not in the given subsequence. That is, the index which is returned by the index function is with respect to the starting element here 9 and stopping element 34. Not with respect to the subsequence starting from index given within the index method. So in case we want to find the element index with respect to the subsequence, we subtract the start value from the index returned by the index function. So here I say L dot index of 2 comma 2 comma 6 minus start, where the index returned now is the element's position in the subsequence. Now the function takes one argument or a sequence, say a list, tuple, dictionary or a set, in case the list contains all the sequence as a member. So to demonstrate that, I have taken a list called mixed L, which contains a list, tuple, dictionary, string, bool and a set as its element. So by using index function on mixed L, we can find the index of a list, tuple, dictionary, string and a bool. Now moving on to the count function, as the name stands for, it returns the number of occurrence of a given element in the whole list. So the syntax of count is list variable dot count of element and the result is a whole number. Now if we print the count of 2 in L, we get 3, and if we print L dot count of 12, we get 0 as there is no 12 in L. We can observe that it does not give rise to any value error if the element I is not present in the list. Instead, it simply returns 0. Count takes only one argument, which could be an element or a sequence, say list, dictionary, string, tuple or a set. In case the list contains them, we print the occurrence of the varied data type in mixed L, which we have defined above, and we observe the count. So that's all about clear, list and count function in Python. In our next video, we'll discuss about sort, reverse and copy function. I hope to meet you guys with more useful content. Thank you.